Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A77, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, all you need to do is pull down your notifications, extend the list, and this will show you all the toggles that you have access to, at least at the moment. Now, if you see power saving mode in here, that's great, then simply tap on it to activate it, but in my case, I don't see it, so I'll click right over here on this square. And I can already see that the power saving mode is right here. So we have two different ones. We have the normal power saving mode, this one, and we have the super power saving mode, which is this one. I'm gonna add both of them and showcase both of them. Once it's added, we can now activate them by tapping on it. I'm gonna start with the super power saving mode just because it's a little bit more intensive. As you can see, it gives us about 19 hours of additional battery life. 39% that it's at right now. And in here, as you can see, we don't have a wallpaper, we just have a couple applications visible right here, and it prioritizes on battery life, giving us the estimated time right at the bottom. So there we go. And once you're done with this mode, you would leave it by clicking right over here on this exit button. Exit power saving mode. And it will go back to normal one. Now the normal power saving mode is a little bit more normal. As you can see, once you enable it, it basically doesn't change almost anything, at least visually. So what you will probably experience is that it will turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data when the device is not being used, and because of that you will experience delays or just no delivery whatsoever of notifications that would typically require internet connection. And just to name a few applications, that would be apps like Mail, Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp. So those are just a few. Now there is two options for this. Either it will reconnect every so often and give you a notification about it, once every like half an hour for instance, when you're not using the device, or it will only give you update when you start using the device, and the phone is automatically then forced to connect to some kind of network when you start using it, so it would give you all the notifications then. I am not sure which one it will be, but most likely one of those options is obviously going to be affecting this device. Anyway, once you're done with your power saving mode and you want to turn it off, just simply tap on a toggle, it will turn off, and your device will go back to functioning normally. And with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.